Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video we're going to be talking about SmileDirectClub, and most of you know who follow me here know that I've been on the SmileDirectClub journey for just about 5 weeks now. So yes, I'm on my 5th week of retainers. Now upon starting this, I was like you, I didn't know what to expect, but I knew I was excited, I was ready for this change in my smile, and so far I'm really pleased with my results. Though to you might not see them, but for me, since they're my teeth, I live with them every day, I can see a big difference in my bottom crowding of my teeth and my top teeth. My top teeth looked good before, but they weren't perfect. I did notice that this tooth was a little like projected from the others, and that has totally almost been fixed, and it's still kind of sore right now. So your mouth will be sore upon using these, especially after your first week. Girl, let me tell you about your first week. Your first week is going to be rough. I mean, you have to get used to having these thin plastic aligners in your mouth, and then they can feel kind of sharp. So I'm not gonna lie, like the inside of my bottom lip and the side of my tongue, I had cuts. Now to ease that pain, you can take like an emery board and kind of lightly shave, like, I'm gonna show you, the like edges to where it feels and lays smoother in your mouth, and that's gonna eliminate a lot of the pain from them rubbing against your lips and your tongue. So definitely you want to smooth them out a bit should you feel any discomfort when it comes to the way they sit in your mouth. For me, that was like the hardest part my first week, and I just got some like oral gel and kept it like on my lip and on my tongue, and then that helped. But now I don't need any of that right now because my mouth has become adjusted to the feel, so they don't hurt. I haven't had to file any of my newer ones, but like I said, I'm on week number 5, so this is my week 5 upper. I'm headed out to work now, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this in, but I am about to eat lunch, so right before I eat, I'll end up having to take them out and put them back in the container. So that's the thing, you guys have to worry with taking them out in the end, especially if you eat a lot, you snack a lot. For me, that was the only problem that I faced with these, is pulling them in and out, in and out, in and out, in and out. And I ain't gonna lie, I have missed a couple of days, but you have to take that time to get back on track. I have missed some days, so you just get back on track, and then SmileDirectClub will send you email reminders to change your aligners. So should you miss a couple of days, of course, you just extend that time for the days that you miss and then start your new set. But other than that, I do love my experience. Yeah, and sometimes they don't fit like they should at initial placement when you're trying to put in a new set. Use your chewies to get them to fall in place, but trust the process. Don't fall out with it. Don't say, oh my god, this shit doesn't fit, it doesn't work. Trust the process. Give it a few days, and then they will fall in place. They will fall in place. So don't get mad, don't fall out with it. Just know that it will work. You just have to stick with it. This is my bottom. I'm just talking. These need to be in my mouth. Alright, so now I'm going to put in the uppers. Okay. So they just snap right in. So you will have like a little lisp or like a different type sound when you speak, and that's to be expected because you now have like your retainers in your mouth, but it's nothing major. Yeah, so as far as my results, my major result has been my top teeth and this tooth right here. Like, okay, this one is still a work in progress. That one, well, this one, the same one on this side was the same way. So it's like each set works on something. So like this one here is almost in track now. So now we're working on this one. And girl, when I tell you that tooth is sore, it is sore and it feels loose. And that's because the aligner is doing its thing. So yeah, your teeth will feel loose, but don't be scared, don't be alarmed. It's because your teeth are shifting because your SmileDirectClub aligners are doing their thing, girl. But everybody's smile plan is different. I believe mine is just about 6 months. I should be done the first week in November. I'm so excited. So yeah, I will be giving you updates, another update probably before then, so we can see the process or the progress of that tooth. But yeah, girl, I'm just so ready to get that thing in line. But other than that, I'm very pleased with this, and I love how cheap and affordable this service is. I mean, I love it. But if you have further questions, be sure to drop them down below in the comments area, and I'll get back to you, because a lot of people have reached out to me on Instagram as well, telling me about their little problems that they're having. But just trust the process, don't give up on it. Put those things in your mouth and keep them in. Use those chewies to get them in place, because you have to trust the process, okay? I'm really, really pleased with this. And you look like you can't even tell that they're in. So yeah, I'm glad I went with SmileDirectClub. So if you're thinking about it, go ahead and get signed up. Click the link down below too in the description box to read more on it and get yourself hooked up with this same setup, girl. Girl, let's go into the new year smiling, girl, with perfect teeth. That's it for me. I'll see you next time, okay? Bye. Make sure you subscribe.